Here we have the lying leg raise. So we are starting with our body on the ground, possibly on a mat, with our hands to our side and our knees straight, and our legs are extended straight down from our body. So with the knees straight, we're lifting our legs off the ground, and we are taking our tailbones off the floor. You could use your hands to press into the ground. This will give you a little more power and leverage. So pulling up and pausing, coming up and down. So with the straight leg raise, this could be a lot more challenging on your hip flexors and your abs, the muscles in the front. And if they are not strong enough, this is where we could start seeing a little bit of discomfort in your lower back, because the opposing muscles, the front and back, whichever side is not strong enough, we could compensate, or we just might not have the strength to perform this movement, and will cause stress on the other side. So this is the lying leg raise.